We all love playing with those fancy stitches. Today, I'm going to show you how to set a decorative stitch on your Sparrow 30. On your stitch card, this little row right here are your Group A stitches. These are in your very first mode. You can access these stitches in direct mode because you can directly push a button and it puts you on that stitch. Now you'll note, sometimes it'll tell you to put a different foot on, so just make sure that when you're selecting a stitch, you pay attention to which foot you need. But I want to show you a fancy decorative stitch, so I'm going to take you down to that third mode, hitting that mode button, and then I want to show you stitch 19. All right, I've now set my stitch. I need my T foot, which I already have on my machine, and I'm ready to sew. I'm holding my threads just to prevent any bunching at the back, and I'm going to start my stitch. And there we are, a lovely stitch. I really love this stitch, but I want to see it a little bit bigger. I'm going to go ahead and press the widen stitch and the lengthen. All right, there I've got it bigger, and I love how that looks. But I wonder how it would look smaller. So I'm going to press this all the way down until the machine beeps at me. That's letting me know that's as small as that stitch can go. Okay. And I'm there. And there I have my tiny little stitch. And that's how you set your decorative stitch. I hope you have a lot of fun playing with this feature. Thanks for watching. A special thanks to our sponsor, EverSewn. I love this machine. And if you'd like to get one too, check out shopaqs.com. Members always get 20% off, and you can get additional savings by using the code down in the description.